In this video, we're going to show you how to use hints in case you get stuck. So for this is the little lesson on strings, we're told to print our name. So I'm going to use the print command, and inside those you put parentheses. And let's say I mess up and I just put my name here and I try to run that code, okay, we're going to get some errors right there. So even though it checks that mark, like it didn't print the name out. And here's the thing. We have right now it's trying to print, it's reading this as a variable. If you want to read, if you get this red text, you usually did something wrong. So you can look as an example, but they tell you right here, make sure you use, some quotation marks in there. You can also click on this little stuck get a hint idea. So they'll tell you, they'll remind you here, oh yeah, I need quotation marks in there. So instead of putting David with just out quotation marks, I'm gonna put those quotation marks. Now when I run the code, it's gonna print out my name. So I've completed the first set of instructions, and now it's also checking off the second set of instructions. Because the previous one, all I did was I used the print command, great, but it noticed that I didn't complete instruction number 2. Another thing is I'm just going to delete this and run the code. You sometimes get little hints in red like I showed you in the last video, but regardless, you can use those hints. You can use those little red things at the bottom that give you ideas on how to do it. And whenever you're done, you just click the next task and complete everything you need to do like that.